Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. Students, as you all know, we are making revisional video for your upcoming examination. And in the series of revision, I have brought practice set 1 and 2 I have already explained in my previous videos, and today I have brought practice set 3 and I have selected some important questions that can become in your upcoming examination. Okay, so let us start, students. Question number first is, this is the true false type question. Question number first is, burning is the opposite of reaping process. Okay, look at the question, student. The question is, burning is the opposite of reaping process. कह रहा है कि बर्निंग जो है वो रीपिंग का अपोजिट है. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ये जानेंगे कि बर्निंग क्या होता है, रीपिंग क्या होता है. ठीक है, व्हाट इज बर्निंग एंड व्हाट इज रीपिंग. ओके, wait students. Suppose that this is your computer and this is a CD. Okay, burning. What is burning? सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे burning क्या होता है. Students, when you will copy data from a computer to a CD, this is called burning. When you will copy data from a computer to a CD, this process is called burning. And when you will copy data from a CD to a computer, this is called reaping. Okay? Now come to the question. Question is asking, burning is the opposite of reaping process. Yes, student, burning is the opposite of reaping process. It means this statement is true. Okay, this statement is true. Now come to the next question. Clear, everyone? I hope you all are understand about burning and reaping process. Okay, let me erase it. Now question number second is, the Windows control panel has 6 categories. Okay, this is the question number second. Question number second is, the Windows control panel has 6 categories. Tell me, student, this statement is true or false. Your question is, the Windows control panel has 6 categories? Write your answer in the comment box. If you know what is the answer of this question, write your answer in the comment box. This is very easy question. Tell me students, this statement is true or false? Student, the question is asking Windows control panel has 6 categories. Dear students, this statement is false because Windows control panel has 8 categories. Windows control panel has 8 categories. Okay. A Windows control panel has 8 categories. First is system and security. First is system and security. Okay. Second is network and internet. Network and internet. And third is hardware and input or sound. Okay. And fourth is program. Fourth is program. And fifth is users accounts. And next is appearance and personalization. Personalization. Seventh is clock and region. Okay. And the next is ease of access. These are the 8 categories of control panel. Now come to the question. Question is, the Windows control panel has 6 categories. Windows control panel में 6 categories होते हैं. According to the question, this statement is false because Windows control panel has 8 categories. Windows control panel has 8 categories: system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, and fourth is program, fifth is user accounts, sixth is appearance and personalization, seventh is clock and region, and eighth is ease of access. विंडोज कंट्रोल पैनल में 6 ना होकर 8 कैटेगरीज होते हैं. ओके. हाउ मेनी कैटेगरीज इन कंट्रोल पैनल? देयर आर 8 कैटेगरीज इन कंट्रोल पैनल. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3 is the power plant option maximize a computer, maximize a computer's performance Tell me student, this statement is true or false? Dear student, this statement is true. The power plan option maximize a program. Okay, the power plan option maximize a computer performance. According to the question, this statement is true. Clear? Now come to the next question, that is question number 4. Okay. Students, question number 4 is a program installed in a computer can never be removed from the system. Okay students, here a question is, a program installed in a computer can never be removed from the system. Student, the question is asking, if you will install any program in a computer system that can never be removed from the computer system, tell me students, this statement is true or false? Write your answer in the comment box if you know, and if you don't know about the question, what is the answer of this question, then look at the board. Students, if you will install any application in a computer system, okay, then you can also uninstall this. Okay, uninstall. अगर आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं तो आप उसे अनइंस्टॉल भी कर सकते हैं, रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन, अ प्रोग्राम इंस्टॉल्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर can never be removed from the system. This statement is false, because we can remove any application, any software, any program from the computer system. Okay, according to the question, this statement is false. We can remove any application or program from the computer system. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question, that is the last question of the practice set 3. That is question number 5. Question number 5 is, pressing Control plus Alt plus delete key combination open the task manager window. Tell me students, what is the right answer of this question? The question is, pressing Control plus Alt plus Delete key combination open the task manager window. Students, Control plus Alt plus Delete key is used to open task manager window. Okay, Control plus Alt plus Delete is used to open task manager window. Okay, task manager विंडो, यहाँ से आप अपने द्वारा जो भी टास्क आपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को दिया है उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं आप विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंट्रोल प्लस अल्ट प्लस डिलीट ऑप्शन. इट मीन्स दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. प्रेसिंग कंट्रोल प्लस अल्ट प्लस डिलीट की कॉम्बिनेशन ओपन द टास्क मैनेजर window. Clear everyone? This statement is true. Now the next question we will practice in the practice set 4 students. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching my videos students. Bye bye once again.